Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I'm going to be unboxing the Bosch 6500 planer. This is a planer for smoothing out wood and today I'm going to be doing the unboxing. The GHO 6500 is an electric planer. Here in Kenya I'm using 240 volts, so in your country you better check out so that the voltage compatibility does not ruin your brand new planer. That's the planer right there. It's quite heavy. Actually, this is not my first unboxing. I did a couple of test runs before I did this video, and so that's the manual I'm holding in my hand that I'm holding. It has quite a number of languages, so whichever area you are from, you are sorted. And all the instructions and the safety instructions are in there. It's very important to read the safety instructions first so that you cannot injure yourself or maybe harm the product or those around you. Inside this plastic bag we have a couple of accessories, and one is this attachment made of metal with two knobs. So you attach this to the side of your planer. It's meant for attaching your straight rule. If you want to plane an area that's recessed more than the other areas, you will attach your straight rule to this particular gadget and then you're going to plane. Unfortunately, the straight rule is not available in this packaging, so that's where you attach it. That's the inside the plastic cap. There is the belt from the motor to the blades itself. The knob at the front is for setting the depth of cut, as you can also use it as the handle for planing. Those are the specifications. It uses 220 to 240 volts. The underside is made of aluminium, and at the back you can see this shoe. It's a retractable shoe. Its purpose is to protect the blade from rough edges or surfaces when you set the planer down. The power button or the operation button is at the bottom, the big red one, and the other red one is called the hold switch, where you engage the power button and then you engage the hold switch so that it holds the motion of the planer. Now let's do some testing. The wood shavings will come from this spot over here. And you can also attach your vacuum cleaner over there so that you can have better waste management. The black knob over here is used as the handle as well as adjusting the depth of cut. It adjusts the level of the front part of the aluminium base so that ultimately the depth of cut is adjusted. You can also see the arrow at the side of the planer. It points to the direction of rotation. The Bosch 6500 planer has two blades in the blade section. So the next accessory you are going to look at is this over here. This is an accessory to aid you in the sharpening of the blades. And this here is to hold the tool for removal, to aid in removal of the blades from the planer. After you remove them, you place them in the holder for sharpening. This is a demonstration to show you how the shoe protects the blade. You can see from this angle the automatic shoe. It raises the planer at a height so that it prevents the blade from rough surfaces that may cause dents, and these dents ultimately cause lines on your wood. Last but not least are these grooves at the front of your planer. They provide very good grooves at the edge of your wood while planing. Thanks for watching guys, and goodbye.